Hey guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, it's free to click the red subscribe button. You can find it down here. At huwag mo rin kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong uploads ko dito sa aking channel. Okay? In this new video, we will have another exciting activity. Isa na namang load giveaways para sa ating mga subscribers. At kung paano yan, tutok lang at alamin pagkatapos nito. So ayun na nga guys, mamimigay ulit tayo ng prepaid load and or GCash load para sa mga masaswerteng subscribers natin. Kung paano sumali, narito. Number 1, watch the full video. That is very important. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, share the video to your social media account. Kailangan naka-public. Number 4, i-comment ang sagot sa tanong na matatagpuan somewhere in this whole video. Ang sagot ay matatagpuan din sa loob ng video, kaya mahalagang panoorin mo ito ng buo. Number 5, the joining window is within 72 hours or 3 days from the time this video is uploaded to my channel. Number 6, 3 lucky subscribers will be chosen to win 200 pesos prepaid load and or GCash load each. So good luck everyone! Now, let's proceed to the main content of this video, which is Lesson 8 in learning the Gregg Shorthand. In this lesson, we will learn 8 brief form and brief form phrases, plus another communication building skill at the end of this lesson. Are you ready, guys? Let's jump into it.
These 8 shorthand symbols over here are also brief forms for the following words. The shorthand symbol for S is the brief form for is and his. The shorthand symbol for F is the brief form for the word for. The shorthand symbol for V is also the brief form for have. The U symbol is also the brief form for you and your. The K symbol here is also the brief form for the word can, and the G symbol for the word good. This B symbol right over here is also the brief form for the words be and by, and the shorthand symbol combination of M and R is the brief form for the salutation Mr. Now the following words are derived from those 8 brief forms. That is why they are called brief form derivatives. For plus M, form. 4 plus M plus left S, forms. 4 plus S, force. 4 plus S plus T, forced. 4 gay ET, forget. 4 gay EV, forgive. A for D, afford. B plus ing, being. BLEV, believe. BKAM, became. BGAN, began. BKOS, because. PSID, beside. B plus 4, before. Have plus ing, having. Good plus S, goods. Can plus not, cannot. Let us now practice writing those words. by writing a personal note coming from Paul to Faye. Dear Faye, please forgive my delay in writing you. Period. School has kept me busy. Period. Because of my class load, comma, I will not go to Dallas before May. Period. Paragraph. I will inform you of my travel plans later. Period. I will not forget our plans for a good visit. Period. Paul. Now the following are the you and your phrases. Of your, of you, for you, for your, you are not, you have not. Now the will phrases. I will be, I will not be, I will have, you will not, you will not be, you will not have, you will have, you will have, he will, we will be. Following are the would phrases. I would be, I would not, you would be, you would not be, you would have, you would not have. These are now the can, I can be, I cannot be, can have, you can, you cannot, you can be, cannot be, we can, we cannot. And these are additional phrases that are frequently used. It is, by the, by you, by your, I have not, I have not. Let us now practice. Number 1. I will be reading a book while I wait for you. Period. I will be reading a book while I wait for you. Period. Number 2. You can have my spare tire if you would like it. Period. You can have my spare tire if you would like it. Period. Number 3. I will be happy if I can meet our new neighbor. Period. I will be happy if I can meet our new neighbor. Period. Number 4. You will not have a meeting at your home. Period. You will not have a meeting at your home. Period. I have an airline ticket for you. Period. I have an airline ticket for you. Period. For our communication skill builder, there are 2 similar words here. It is and it. It is. The shorthand outline for this phrase is identical with outline for the word it's. T-S. This word is in a possessive form, meaning belonging to it. Example: our plane is flying off its course. Period. Example of it is: it is a nice, bright day. Period. It is a nice, bright day. Period.
And that is all, guys, for lesson 8. I know you enjoyed so much learning those brief forms and brief forms phrases. Before I end this video, guys, I just want to share to you the value of learning Gregg Shorthand today. Well, for one, it helped me land to a very competitive government career. I've been working as a course stenographer for 12 years and 5 months as of publication of this video, and I can say that among the many government jobs, for example in the Supreme Court, particularly in the lower courts, stenographer is one of the job titles who receive pretty good income. Learning Gregg Shorthand also helps you improve your English skills. And so, having said that, I want you guys to continue learning and discovering the beauty of stenography. Simply click this playlist over here for lessons 1 to 8 and click this video over here to know some information about court stenographers. If you are still watching me up to this point, thank you so much, guys, for your time. I really do appreciate it. I hope to see you more often here on my YouTube channel.